that is jarring.
My love, tonight we will celebrate this ecstatic joining of our spirits with the union of our aching bodies.
Oh, you have stomach cramp again.
No, I ache for you, my pumpkin. Let's hump.
Oh, William, my religion. Humping is not yet allowed.
Oh, of course it is. I proposed, you accepted. To God, everything else is just paperwork.
Oh, William, I insist we wait till after wedding.
Alda, I am much more powerful than you. Now just relax and enjoy it.
Oh. Uh-oh. William. William. Oh, always something in your mouth. William? Are you dead? No. No! Why me? Oh, wake up, you disgusting shit! 20 million.
What? I need you